Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. If you're a person that has some disability with your vision, or if you're getting older and then these fonts, these types are just, the type size is just too small, what you can do is enlarge it. So I'm going to show you in today's Quick Assist video how to do so. All right, so all we're going to want to do is go to settings first, and then we're going to want to go to accessibility. So once you're in settings, you'll see accessibilities right here. Go ahead and click that. And then we're going to see display and text size. So go ahead and click that. Now it's going to give you some different options. You could do bold text, and then this will see turns bold. But oftentimes that won't be enough if you have some kind of vision issue. And so we're going to want to probably go on larger text. It's off right now, so this is the default text size. And so what we're going to want to do is go ahead and turn that on. Once we turn that on the bottom, you could adjust the text size to whatever vision you feel is suitable. Obviously, this will be too big, but maybe something like this might help. So then once that's on, you'll notice that these all have gotten a little bit bigger. Like obviously on the apps, it's not gonna get too big, but then you'll see in your messaging and stuff that the text size will be bigger. So go ahead and try that out. And I hope it works for you, because I know it could be a major pain that most people don't have to deal with. So once again, all you have to do is go to settings. Hold on, go to settings, then go to access. So settings is here, and then you push settings, and then you go to accessibility, and then you go to display and text size. From display and text size, we're gonna wanna go to larger text. Make sure that's on, and then I'm gonna go ahead, you go ahead and choose what you can, okay? Or what suits you. So go ahead and try that out. I hope this video helps. Please like, subscribe, comment. I always appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.